Hillbilly Nitro, back at it with another one. Alright guys, I wanted to show you what I got going on today. As you've already read the title, so you know what we got here. This is my newly acquired Glock 43, and gonna be a little project. Gonna do some sights on it. Just shot the video for the holsters that I've got for it. The Vetter holsters. I got a pocket holster, and I've got the light tuck inside the waistband holster here. Just shot the video for that. If you haven't seen that video, go check that video out. So I got this a couple weeks ago. I've had it in layaway at a local pawn shop here that I get quite a few of my guns from, actually. I had it on layaway there and just paid the last payment on it about 3 weeks ago. I've just been waiting to get some stuff in to do a video. So we just got our first things in, and that'd be the holster. I'm working on ordering some sights for it and probably some mag extensions. This is the Glock 43, basically the single stack version. Clear. Glock 26, and just for safety sallies, this is empty. It does have a mag in it, but I'm going to keep that in there. You see, we got this in there. So we are clear. So this is what we got going on. Basically, Glock 43 is a 26, almost cut in half. You see it there on the thickness there. It's basically the same size. I mean, there's some other videos out there comparing them, and they're very close. The slide is almost the same, just a hair shorter on the 20 or on the 43. Basically, let's see here, we'll stick I got this Pierce extension on the Glock 26 mag here. You can see very close to the same there. So it's almost, it's almost 26 cut in half. Very light. It weighs, we'll do the weight on it here. Here's the weight for you. We'll take this mag out. I think it's right around 17 empty, somewhere around 17 or 18 empty. Let's go to ounces. 16, yeah. Under 17 ounces empty. Then, just for documentation here, this is 6 HST 147 grains in there, and that's what it weighs right there. Let's see if it zero it out here. There we go. Right at 21 ounces with a full mag in it. And again, that's 147 grains, so there's going to be a little heavier than your 124s. 115 grain. Yeah, that's what we got. And just to compare it, there's an empty 26. 19.6 ounces there. Very close to having had a brain fart. A loaded 43 is basically almost very close to being the same as a empty 26. Yeah, that is the Glock 43 there. very stoked. I'm kind of experimenting with this grip tape here. This is just the stuff you buy from Home Depot. Really helps out, and the grip is kind of slick. You don't get quite the texture as you do on the Gen 4 Glocks. I'm not really into modding my pistols out or my Glocks, so thinking about stippling it, but I really don't know. I did do a slight undercut right there on the trigger guard right there, but I didn't do much. As you can see, a lot of people take a lot more out of that, but I just done just a little bit, and that makes the meat of my fingers tuck right up in there. So I didn't feel the need to go much more than that. Feels great right there. I can just draw this up. I can close my eyes, draw the pistol, and the sights are just perfectly level right in front of me. Very nice little pistol. I've owned the 42, but I ended up trading it off, so it's definitely a little bit bigger than a 42, the 380. But it feels great in the pocket. I just got this holster today, but I was carrying it around the house here, seeing what it felt like in the pocket, just by itself, no holster, and feels great in the pocket. And I've stuck this in my pocket with this pocket holster here, the pocket locker from Vetter, and it feels good. It's probably, I would say, about the max of what is good to carry in your pocket without being too heavy. I wouldn't want to go any heavier than this, so that's just my opinion. I've heard of some people pocket carrying a Glock 26. That's a little too heavy for my blood, so. But for me, this is about the max for size and weight in the pocket without printing real bad. Hey guys, I just wanted to get this on camera. We'll be doing a couple more videos on that. So once I get some sights in for it, thinking about the Trijicons. Also looking at some AmeriGlow eye dots. I like those. A buddy of mine has those on his Glock 19, so kind of got those, tossing those around with me and trying to figure out which one I want to order. So stay tuned. We'll do an update on here, and we'll see what all I got going on with it. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hillbilly over and out of here. Peace.